Welcome. Welcome to this section. And previously we discussed about the IDE setup, and before that the server setup will be there. Now we will discuss about what is the Laravel. So Laravel is the MVC PHP framework created by Taylor Otwell in 2011. So it is a free open source and many contributors worldwide here. It's one of the best framework together with YIA and Symfony and Code Inventor. So this is the best features of the Laravel that will be the users there. So it follows the model view control architectural pattern, so as well as the PSA-R2 coding standard also here. So it is running on test-driven development environment, so Laravel is easy to implement. So it uses Symfony package that we already discussed here. Okay, now we work on the to see that the PHP comparison chart that Laravel is used in 24.85% in the worldwide here, and including the among the cake PHP YN. So this has some features of also. The features of the Laravel is first is MVC. Laravel uses model MVC model, therefore the cross core part of the framework which work together model viewer controller part with there. So together the model view controllers are the main part of the work. They connect to models to get and create update data and display result on the views. So the basic thing is that it uses the ORM, allocate ORM, the object relations mapping, implements the active records. This active record, this is the way of the writing the query in the schema model views. So it have also the features of the query builder that helps you to build the secret SQL queries. Laravel has the Blade templating engine that combines the template with the data model to produce the views. The views is nothing that is the HTML part, but it has the advanced features that create the template engine better. Migrations. So migrations features in the Laravel is used to the version controlling system for your the database. So these are the particular the features of the Laravel, and the some more features are the database seeding. Database seeding is the provides the way to populate the database table with the text data used for the testing. The paginations is used to ease the advanced pagination functionalities to be there. Laravel uses the RESTful controllers that provides a way to the separating the different HTTP requests, and that request means the get, post, and put will be there. Form security will be provided by the CSRF middleware and protecting all the forms. So this is the features of the Laravel. Laravel has one more features, that is the routing and the middleware. You can define the URLs of the applications or help the routes, and these routes contain the variable data and connect to the controllers can be wrapped in the middleware. So middleware is the mechanism to filtering the HTTP request. So these are the following. As I already know that Laravel is have one more feature, that is artisan, and artisan is nothing. Artisan is a command line tool that can be used to control the parts of the Laravel. There are a lot of the commands available to create models, controllers, and the resources they need in the development. You have to route the command and extend this command. There is the possibility of the event handling also, because it's capable to event across the application, and you can event of listener and event handlers will be there, and it is one of the form of the Node.js. In the form of the Node.js. So these are the main features of the Laravel. Laravel is a well-known PHP framework, as already known that. Now to work on the Laravel, you have to install the phone utility that is called Composer. So in this section, we have to install the Composer. To install the Composer, you have to go to the getcomposer.org, this website, and download the exe if you are working on the Windows. Download it and get the part of as the php.exe from the XAMPP and installed it. And after the installation, write composer -v, and this will be show you output. If you're working on Linux, open the terminal, and the terminal will be open by the Control Alt T. After the press it, okay. Now type the command sudo apt. After this, you have to install the zip PHP CLI zip and unzip will be there, and copy the path of the installer from this to this. Now sudo php setup install directory in the as per your directory name and type the composer. This will show the screen like that and show the version of the. In Windows, you have to type composer -v. This will show the composer version. So this is the installations of the basic things utilities. In the next lecture, we start the actual development with the Laravel installations. Thanks.